জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়
Please tell me, where are you taking me?
We are moving you into a room.
No. Does father or aunt know you're taking me from here? I won't go.
Please don't get agitated. We will inform them all. Please relax and lie down for now.
No. I can't relax. What if they don't find me when they come back? What if they look for me? I won't go anywhere until my family members come. No. I won't.
Hey, what are you doing? Please don't get agitated. Lie down, please. Please lie down.
No. I
Hey,
won't
let's
go
go.
anywhere. I won't go anywhere. No, please don't take me. Please.
Thank Lord, you've come. She wasn't ready to go out of here.
Tell me, which papers do I need to sign?
Yes, this is a regular process for shifting the patients. A family member needs to sign a form. Since you are here, sign the form right here. I'll get the form.
Why were you scared?
Won't I be scared? They are taking me from one place to another suddenly. There was no family member present.
So, get one thing straight, Trinayani. You are not a part of that family. So the members of that family are no one to you. So whether they are here or not, whether they know if you're being shifted or not, all this just doesn't matter, Trinayani.
What are you saying, Dripto? Father and aunt are no one to me.
No, they are no one. You are supposed to be related to them through me. Since I don't accept this relationship, they are no one to you, Trinayani. You may call them father and aunt, but you are an outsider. At the end of the day, you are an outsider, Trinayani.
You didn't accept me as your wife, but I never said anything to you about it. I never forced you to accept me as your wife. But father, aunt, Rangana, I've developed a very deep bond with them, Dripto. Please don't ask me to break this bond, Dripto.
Look, Trinayani, with all these emotional lines, you can't weaken my resolve. Our family's peace has been ruined, and that's because of you. There was peace in our family, but after you have arrived, there is a distance between the family members. The peace of our family will be ruined because of an outsider. I won't tolerate that at any cost, Trinayani. I already told you that I have repaid your favors. After saving your life, we are even. So after you get discharged, you have to go away from dad, aunt, and Rangana. If possible, prepare yourself for it.
What do you mean by I have to go away?
Here you go, Drupto. You have to sign in 2 places.
I mean, after you're discharged, I'll take you to your village home directly. I don't want to waste any more time. Don't say anything, Trinayani. You've said a lot of things till date and we have heard you. But now I will speak and you will listen. I'll personally take you to your village home. And don't try to come back to our house from there. And don't wait for anyone sitting outside the house. Don't blackmail anyone emotionally. Remember that. I won't let that happen. Sister, you take her away. I know Trinayani is unwell. Yet I said those harsh words to her. I hope she'll stop being adamant now.
Forgive me, Dripto. I won't be able to listen to you. Every time you make me leave the house and take me to the village, I will again come back. You can think whatever you want to, but I can't go away from you, Dripto. No matter where you are, I'll be always around you.
Henceforth, you are free.
No, I don't want it, believe me. How will I be able to live without him, Mother? Please don't ask me to go away from him, Mother. Mother asked me to go away from you, Dripto. I didn't listen to her. So if you think that I will listen to you, that is out of question.
Mom said... What do you mean by mom said so? You are again lying about my mom?
I am not asking you to believe me, Tripto. I know what I said. Just listen to me. I won't go away from you. I won't leave you alone.
Sister, take her away. Take her.
Let's take her.
You can beat me, kill me or do whatever you want, but I won't go away from you. I won't go away from you. I won't go anywhere.
What do you mean by you won't leave me? What's there in your mind, huh? That you'll save me again? Stop playing these games.
Dripto, please don't talk to her like that. If she gets excited, then...
Please stop. Let me talk to her once. Why are you so stubborn? Why are you so eager to save my life? You think you did a great job by saving me and take credit for that. Have you ever thought that I get into trouble also because of you?
Me?
Yes, you. Only you. Had you not stayed outside my house and gone to the police station, I wouldn't have gone looking for you. And I wouldn't have been in trouble too. You saved me after pushing me towards danger, and now you are bragging about it, right?
Please do not talk to her in that manner. It's not good for her to get stressed at all.
No, let her get stressed. So that she doesn't dare to do such a thing ever again. Listen to me carefully, Trinayani. You need to neither get me into trouble nor save me from it. I implore you to go away from my life. Please.
Had I ever been in your life, Tripto? That I'll go away today? You didn't even give me the right to enter your house. Yet you are asking me to go away from your house. What do you want to say, Tripto?
Hey, listen, I don't want to talk to you anymore. Once you recover, I'll take you to your village. And this is my final decision.
I have heard everything, Mr. Dripto. What did you say just now? Trinayani is responsible for your trouble.
Oh, so you've also come to defend Trinayani, right?
I am not defending her. I just told the truth. You are making a mistake. You are making a big mistake.
Mistake.
Yes, mistake. Trinayani doesn't get people into trouble, Dripto. In fact, she saves them from trouble.
Wow. It seems like you've understood Trinayani quite well.
Of course I have. Because I have been judging people for the past 25 years. I deal with thieves, rogues, cheaters, goons and thugs all the time. So when I meet a good person, I can identify them from the glow on their face. I can tell what kind of a person is within no time. Because a small incident is enough to prove one's intention, Mr. Dripto.
You still don't know her intention. She has another motive behind her mask of goodness. She actually wants to defame my family.
Wrong, Mr. Dripto, you're wrong, completely wrong. Trinayani's motive is to save others' lives, even if she has to risk her own life. Otherwise, there was no need for her to run after my jeep and come to the police station to stop me. There was no need for her to block my way at the police station so that I don't get into the jeep as it would catch fire. But that's what she did. Why? How long have we known each other? Tell me, does she even know me? Who am I? I am just an ordinary stranger for her, who has never done her any kind of favors. What was her motive? What was her purpose? Tell me, Mr. Dripto. Why did she rush to the police station to save my life?
What did you say? She went to the police station to save your life.
What did I blurt out in front of Dripto? Oh no. Mr. Topabrato Basu had forbidden me. He requested me again and again not to give Dripto any hint of Trineni's power to see the future, but I made a mistake.
What happened? Why are you quiet? Tell me.
I'm going.
Wait. You just can't leave like that. Give me the clarification of what you just said. She went to the police station to save your life. What does this mean?
No, look, actually,
Why are you fumbling? Officer, I've asked you a very simple question.
I'm not bound to give you any kind of clarification.
Of course you are. But I know you won't be able to give me any clarification because you lied to me.
What? What did you mean? What did I lie about? Tell me.
You lied about everything. I will tell you the truth.
What will Dripto say now? Has he understood everything?
You just heard me say, right? That I will take Trineni to her village home. That's why you are cooking up these stories, so that you can stop me from going. And now see, you only got stuck. You don't remember what you said earlier and what you're saying now. You are saying different things every time, officer. And if you keep lying like this is what will happen. First you said Trineni went to the police station to find the person who poisoned the milk. And then you say that she went to the police station to warn you. And I know what you said earlier is true. And what you said now is a made-up story in order to defend Trineni. Officer, please don't try to fool me. It'll be of no help to you.
It was a close shave, child. Yet I am scared. If your enemies get to know about your power, of foreseeing the future, you will be in trouble, child.
What happened just now? I didn't understand anything. I thought your husband was a good person. He was so eager to save your life a while ago. But he changed in no time. He gave you an earful. He said he would take you to your village home. Tell me, is he angry with you?
I don't know. Even if he is angry on me, I can't leave him and go away. I know Lourdes will help me. And if father and aunt are able to stop him from taking me to my village.
No, Dad, I won't listen to you. I want all of you to go away from here.
Deepu, listen. Try and understand. Even if we go home, we won't be at peace. We will be worried about her all the time. Since we are here, we are getting news about her from time to time.
I'm here, right? I will let you know about her.
Why will you be here? Why, your work is done. Because you saved her life and won the battle. What are you worried about now? In fact, you should go. We'll stay here. We are more concerned about Trineni than you.
Dad, I'm not interested in arguing about who's more concerned and who's less concerned. So please listen to me and just go back.
No, Brother Dipto. We can't leave my friend alone and go. I thought you were in love with my friend. But now I see that you're not in love with her. Who will we leave her with?
With me. Even if you don't want, you have to believe me. You can't help it. Because I can't trust you all now.
What do you mean? What are you implying?
Dad, I suspect that you all will get Trinaini discharged and take her home in my absence. And I won't let that happen because I've promised my mother that I'll return home after dropping her off to her village home. And I don't want to listen to anything else. This is my final decision. So please leave.
Deepu?
Let it be, Pratima. Don't argue anymore. He has told his final decision. Let him do what he thinks is right.
Deepu, what did you do, brother? Why didn't you stop Deepu?
Pratima, there is a time to stop someone. You can stop someone from doing something only until a particular time. And do you know when it is? It's until you are hopeful, until you have hope. When everything is over, you can't stop someone, Pratima. I have lost hope. I don't expect anything from Deepu anymore. Nothing. That's why I didn't stop him. I'm hopeless. Absolutely hopeless.
But brother...
Don't cry. Don't cry, Pratima. I think what happened is for the best. At least, Trinani will be safe after going away. My son will lose his protective shield because of his mistake. Doesn't it? It's his destiny. No one can change one's destiny. Let's go. Let's go and meet her for one last time.
You were asleep, right? Easy, easy. Come, get up. We are going home, Trinani.
You all are going? If you all go away, take me to my
I know
village.
that, but we don't have an option. Deepu won't let us stay here. That's why I thought before leaving, I should touch this blessed flower to your forehead. I don't know what is your destiny. Keep it. May Lord bless you.
Take care, my child. Take care. If possible, please forgive your helpless father.
Lourdes, I'm not able to offer prayers to you, but please make sure that I don't have to go to the village. Please, please help me stay around Tripto, Lourdes. Why is my head aching again? What will you show me, Lourdes? What did I just say? No, this can't happen. This is not possible. I won't let your temple be destroyed, Lotus. As long as I am alive, I won't let your temple be harmed. Your Nayan is coming. I am coming.
Hey, what is this? What is this? What are you doing? Trinani, why are you getting up? Lie down.
No, I won't lie down. I can't rest. I beg you.
Hey, lie down.
No,
Don't get
no.
up. Lie down, rest.
If I don't go-
Trinani, you can't go
If
out.
I don't go, there will be a
Just sit
disaster.
there.